Hey guys, we have a 2010 Mercedes-Benz 6.3 S6.3. We end up adding the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm because they already tried to bust up these lug nut locks to take his rims around the neighborhood, so he doesn't want to have this type of situation that he walks out and he doesn't have any rims in the car, or possibility of broken window, and they go over a bunch of stuff inside his vehicle. So we end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm, so if anybody tries to bust out these lug nut locks or they break a window, this time the alarm will go off. Because if the only way this factory alarm goes off, the alarm, is if somebody opens any of the doors, the trunk or the hood, and nobody's going to do that. They're going to break the window and jump in, and if they need to take the rims and tires, there's no need to get inside the vehicle at all. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. This will fire off the alarm. Okay, I'm going to turn it off because I don't want to annoy anybody here with this loud noise. And then we'll try this side. It gives you 360 protection around the vehicle as far as any banging is concerned. This is the way to go, by the way, because you definitely don't want to install another system and have to carry another remote control around, because the beauty of this is to have this in your pocket and just reach in, open the door, and press the button and leave. You definitely don't want to thumble through your purse or your pocket to grab any other key fob. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on this front tire, and that should trigger the alarm system. Okay, this shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Anybody who's out of state, give us a call, and we can guide you, give you more information how to get this done in your hometown. Thank you for watching this video.